Hi everybody, it's Jessica from Tensita Johnson, and today we are back with a double French braid style. So we're going to make pigtails on Margarita. Therefore, I parted her hair in the middle, start in the front and then go until the neck. The right side I am just wrapping together and tie it in a deep ponytail because we are going to work on this section of hair later. Then I start with the left hand side, grab the hair. I'm using just some water to avoid the flyaways and to have a neater result. Comb everything good through, and then I'm sectioning off the front part. Is about 2 inches wide, or a bit more, perhaps 3 inches. Clip it away, and then I'm applying some oil. This makes that the hair does not tangle and I have it easier to braid. And we are so much in the pool and in the sea that this is just nutrition for the hair. Take a section of the hair in a triangle shape. We are going to braid diagonally until the neck. So here you see the triangle. Split this section into 3 equal strands and start to bring over the right over the middle and then the left over the middle. Now bring the right over the middle and add some hair from the right hand side. You can use the comb or just your fingers. Pull everything tight together, then bring the left over, add in some hair, right over, add a portion of hair. You decide how big the portions are that you're going to bring over. This will change a bit the pattern of your braid, but I did the middle width. Here you see I'm bringing the hair until the neck inside of the braid. When you go over the middle strand, then it's a French braid. So we did here a French braid, then tie everything off after you did an extra stitch with an elastic. This is our first braid. Make sure that it's tight and then take off the clip. I'm applying now some hair gel because I want this style to look neat. Apply it over this portion of hair, comb everything through, and then bring it behind the ear and add it to the deep ponytail that we did right under the braid. Attach it with a little elastic to the first pigtail that you just did. And now with the topsy tail tool, I'm going to hide the hair tie. So take a strand of hair, wrap it around the base of this deep ponytail, bring the end through the topsy tail tool, pull the tool inside of the ponytail, and your hair tie is in. Now section off from the point at the middle parting where you have the other section behind the ear. It's lightly diagonally. Clip this part away. It's always easier when it's neat and combed through. And then again applying some oil, sectioning off the same triangle. Take as guideline the braid that you just did before. Part into 3 equal strands and start to braid from the outer side over the middle strand. Use some water if you need to avoid flyaways. Right over, left over, and then with the third stitch you start to add in sections of hair. Right over, section of hair incorporated, and pull tight. Make sure that your fingers always keep close to the scalp. This brings you to a neater result and helps you to hold tight the braid. Then if you have done some extra stitches, tie off with an elastic Make sure that both bases of the pigtails are on the same height. Take off the front clip, apply some gel, comb it through, bring it behind the ear and attach it to the pigtail with a little elastic. Take the topsy tail tool, bring it into the middle of the ponytail. You want to make sure that the end of the hair strand that you are bringing through now will be hidden in the middle of the ponytail. Pull everything through and we are actually done. This is our final result. Please subscribe to our channel, activate the little bell so that you get a notification when we have a new video uploaded. We are doing this once to twice a week. Hope you like it. See you back soon. Bye bye.